everyone. This is Insta360 X3. Before I put a magnet here and this two side, actually this side magnet I removed already, but here you cannot see any kind of mark because of hot glue. It's very good if you want to stick with the body and there's no plastic or coating come out. And here was another magnet also, but I just removed it and suddenly I stopped because I was thinking like better I make video that how. Actually here I want to show you. That is the two magnets. That is hot glue. Before I use it on the here exactly all hot glue with this magnet to put with my body as a body cam. But now I put it on the top also, so the both side when it stick, it's very nicely stick like properly. Before when I put only one magnet, so it's move on my body, on my chest, like slightly like this, like this, like this. So once I make it this three magnet, one here, two here, is stuck like properly on my chest. So I want to show you like when I use hot glue to stick magnet, there's nothing, as you can see here, it's nothing come out and it's very safe. But okay, now you can see I'm going to remove this. 1 2 3. Okay, you can see here very clear and clean. I want to use just clean with the cloth, and okay, now as you can see very clear, nothing you can see. So there's so much here hot glue with the two magnets and in the middle. And now in my previous video actually I make it, but now you see Insta360 the camera is very clean as new. So the first thing what happened actually when I get this camera, I order accessory from China, and you know it takes like mostly more than 1 week, depend on the country. So I was so excited, of course. So what I do, I just unboxing and I started to make videos. But now I recommend you this two accessories highly. Recommend other accessories up to you, but one thing, this silicone case is come with this strap, but strap keep on the side here. But the main thing is this silicone soft case. The good thing is it's easy to remove, it's not heavy, and it's not plastic one that will make a little bit harder, and sometimes their own plastic can make scratches on your device. So it's nicely can stick with your camera here. Okay, this is the camera side. So okay, as you can see everything is well prepared here. Okay, from the top. So why I remove it, I hope you understand now what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick these magnet now. I'm going to remove the hot glue from them also. Not that difficult even, you can see. And then okay, almost done in front of camera, as you can see. So the point to tell you this thing, as you can see very clear, like see there, almost done. So point to show you this thing, what I'm going to do now, I will put hot glue here and I will stick the magnet on this and this. And then the second thing I order this here. Okay, this is some sticker, lens guide. Okay, it's not the rocket science, I think everyone can do it. Another one is here, you can see, and this is if you removed it, so you can put it again. There's a round sticker. So this is front, this is back glass. So what I'm going to do, first thing, I will stick that lens, protection lens on it. That is very important. And after, it's very simple and easy to remove. And if it's fall down, so there are $500 camera. It costs almost $500. After you buy this 450, sometime you buy the long selfie stick and then memory card and some time of this kind of accessories, plastic case. So it costs you almost $500 actually. So this is your $500 camera. Of course you have to protect it. So first thing, you have to clean this lens before, and then you have to use the front and back. Now the problem is, there's no problem, but how can I say this is back or this is back or this is front? So technically this is front because the screen facing to us. So once we make video, screen should be on our face, right? So it will consider front side, and that is a back side. Maybe some people can consider that is a front side, but for me, I think the back side is this, and the front side, the camera facing to you with the display. So anyway, that's accessories. I recommend you should have it if you buy this Insta360 X3. If you have any question, you can ask me. So what I'm going to do now, I want to show you how it look like. Okay, these are something like that. Okay, they say back side without display screen. So the good thing is they mention it here properly. So very good. Let's open this, and this one they should say screen, and they give for a removal tool also for next time, and there's a small soft cloth. So here, front side as a display camera screen. So yeah, exactly. Actually, I didn't read it before. This is the first time I'm reading now while I'm making video, and I have this question. I was not thinking they're written like that, but anyway, yeah, they tell, so you don't have to worry. Might be there's some difference in lens. Now you can see slightly my fingerprints on the lens, so we have to clean it first, and then put it this lens on here. Okay, so first bring out this. That is front side, yeah. I think first I will put on the front side. Let me zoom. Okay. I don't know. So far my eyes can't see any dust. Okay, so far I can't see any dust or anything, but still I try to clean. So this is the front side. I'm going to remove again, attach to the lens on the same side as the display screen. Okay, so this one I'm going to put first. Again, a little bit. And let me put more light. Yeah, so far nothing. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, as you can see here, this dot area should be down to dot side. I think down area is no dust, but still I think before I still clean a little bit, and I'm going to okay. Yeah, now it's look exactly on the point. That's what I was targeting. Okay, okay, so far look okay. So just press it properly. I'm going to open the camera and see. I feel there's a dust inside slightly. Very difficult to see actually. Now I can see from here. I hope I can remove it, but anyway, this another thing I will keep doing, but anyway, this is the way, simple, and here you can see the difference between lens, and this one is slightly, here you can see slightly dust still inside. So this thing is very important for me until I not clear it. Yeah, here you can see the dust left inside. So anyway, I'm going to stop and doing my operation and see you. Okay, so now done everything. I just made it both side. The reason I closed the camera before, because I really need concentration. If small dust dot, because of making video, I can concentrate my concentration on the camera more than on the lens. So the second one, I completely bring close to the light and I see deeply if there is no dust, and then the first attempt I put it so I don't have to remove. But this one, two, three, I think 2 or 3 times I have to remove it. So I just pressure slightly and it's come out. But if long time, it will be, I hope so, quite strong look like. Just keep the cloth together, and yeah, the quality look nice so far. I will update if this lens have any problem. So far it's a glass, very transparent and clear, as you can see the both side now. Quite high actually, more than before. So yeah, and if I put my lens cover, sorry, camera cover, silicone, there should be no problem with that. Okay, yeah, that's look fine. Now you can see. So yeah, it's complete simple protection. At least this soft rubber silicone will protect it to fall down in case. So yeah, I'm already using without this almost more than 1 week. So far there's no scratch in camera, there's no scratch in lens, and yeah, it's not fall down even one time, but I just try to use it more than 1 week. It's nothing happened. So far it's already rugged and strong lens, original, but I still prefer if you can spend like $10, $15 and you can get extra protection, is worth it for me. So anyway, and now what I'm going to do is I use it as a body cam. So what I have to do, I will use a hot glue again and stick the magnet here, for example here, and 2 magnets on the side here. But this time I have to remove this tape because the lens is, so what happened is completely attached to my body. This, hold on, I will show you. It's really useful. I love it. All the time holding the stick and making visible to yourself that you are making video, especially some Asian countries. Here people feel uncomfortable. I don't know, but here I feel sometimes not very polite, especially in restaurant. People are eating. Sometimes they are don't want to come on the video, because they are privacy. So it's not comfortable. But when I mount it on my chest, I feel very confident. Nobody can say I'm making their video. Even people don't know camera is on and I'm just walking. And even nobody can feel it. It's on your chest mounted with a black t-shirt. So until I not go close and talk with them, they didn't even notice. So I like it. So this one will be stick with the hot glue here, and another will be just like, once I click on it, it automatically like to my chest. As you can see, the magnet is quite strong. If you want to see the diameter of magnet is perfect, and I will recommend you, okay, I will show you. It's exactly 1 inch, and 2 mm thick. 2 mm, actually exactly 1 mm. It's not much thicker, so it's easy, not heavy. And I'm going to put it now here on the top, or maybe I can put it this side, and other magnets I can put it this corner. So now I have more place. So yeah, because before, if I put it here, I think this side is the best. Okay, so now my machine is hot already, and I'm going to put the glue inside. Last time the stick finished, so I want to do everything in front of you. Okay. I use the black one, so yeah. I have to decide first if this side the camera will be not balanced. So if I keep it in the middle or slightly up is more better. So here is your mic area. Okay, put some more light here. Okay. So here you can see the mic also this side, so you have to be careful. Okay. Okay. So I think I prefer slightly up is much better. So no matter if you are alone, stick with this, still it's worth it. So here I'm going to put the glue and I will stick in the middle here. It's like water actually. It's very hot. Okay. Oh, my hand is burning. So extra coating this side and this side. Okay. Let's see. Let it be dry. Should be balanced, not rubber should the plastic should not come out. So the more better. Yeah. Slightly stick with the plastic down, it's no problem. So now the second magnets I put it to make a strong. And maybe I can put it the down area rather than top area. So that's also a good idea. For example, something like this, maybe. Yeah. If the up area is more stable for me actually, but I think down also is okay. So yeah, that was how I do it. So most of the time I use my chest mounted. I love it, I like it, and I feel very confident. Nobody can feel any disturbance. So anyway, that is my short video. Now I can put in my shirt, and behind I can put the magnet and it will be stick in your shirt. So it should be like that. See you, take care, thumbs up. So after put the magnet, it should be something like that. I'm going to place it down. Okay. So ready? So the camera should be something like that. Even you can move anywhere. Here you can see. So once you are walking around, it will be easily. But on the top, when I put it, the camera will be automatically, now it's a little bit more movable, right? But if you will be stick with this in the top area, so the camera will be, or might be down area, will be still okay. So what the down area will be stick from